The Supreme Court has adopted an expert panel's recommendations to use gender-sensitive and survivor-centric language in sexual offence judgments. The recommendations are based on a report prepared by a committee headed by former Supreme Court Judge Justice Anirudh Bose. Under the new framework, courts have been advised to avoid terms such as prosecutrix, lost her chastity and outraged her modesty, and instead use expressions like survivor, victim, complainant, bodily autonomy and sexual assault. Sambhav, this is a big change in the way Supreme Court will be giving its observations now. Talk to us about what all terms and phrases have now been prohibited from use.
Absolutely, this is 74 pages report released by the Supreme Court, prepared by an expert committee headed by former Supreme Court Judge Justice Anirudh Bose, and the recommendations are important. Here, court has adopted gender-sensitive and survivor-centric language while deciding sexual offence cases. And important is judicial language in sexual offence cases should be gender sensitive, is what the report is saying. It should be dignified and free from stereotypes. And courts should use terms like victims or survivors instead of prosecutrix. So, in a way, there should be more dignified language and gender-sensitive language to be used by different courts of the country, including the High Court, the lower courts, and this is what the 74 pages report on, which is titled as Judgment and Gender. The court has adopted this gender-sensitive and survivor-centric language report, and in a way, this report is asking courts to adopt gender-sensitive language while deciding sexual offence cases. And judges in this report have been advised to avoid words like honor, chastity, and helpless female, and other gender stereotypes in judgment. And report also stresses regular judicial training and sensitization of judges to promote fair, unbiased, and survivor-centric court proceedings. So, all in all, the language should be, in a way, survivor-centric, gender-sensitive, and it is what is, this language should be adopted, is what this 74 pages report is talking about. And see, it is important, especially in the backdrop of several judgments by different high courts where allegations were made on the kind of languages used. So here the court, after this, the Supreme Court has released a report prepared by the expert committee headed by former Supreme Court Judge Justice Arundita Anirudh Bose, and recommendations are that court should adopt gender-sensitive language.
Yes, all right. Thank you very much, Sambhav, for bringing us those details. Important news, that one, for our viewers. And with that, let's move ahead.